Welcome to Biblical Handbook channel. Before the type of Bible we use today, Bibles were created entirely by hand, a process known as manuscript production. Manuscript Bibles were painstakingly copied by scribes, who would meticulously write out each page by hand. These scribes worked in monasteries, scriptoria, or other centers of learning. They used parchment, prepared animal skins, or vellum, fine parchment made from calf skin, as writing surfaces and wrote with quill pens dipped in ink made from various materials. In this video, we are going to discuss the historical processes involved in the creation of early Bibles, the revolutionary impact of printing technology, and the complexities surrounding the compilation and selection of books for the biblical canon. If you found this information intriguing and informative, consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. Your support motivates us to bring you more engaging discussions. Now, let's delve into the fascinating world of biblical history, creating a single manuscript. Bible was an incredibly time-consuming and labor-intensive task, often taking several years to complete. Each copy had to be meticulously crafted, with attention paid to accuracy and legibility. Illuminated manuscripts, which were lavishly decorated with intricate illustrations, decorative initials, and gold leaf, were particularly prized, but also more time-consuming to produce. Due to the arduous and lengthy process of manuscript production, Bibles were rare and expensive items, typically owned by wealthy individuals, religious institutions, or monarchs. Access to these handwritten Bibles was limited to a privileged few, and the scarcity of copies meant that most people had little or no direct access to the biblical text. The Bible, as a single book or a bound volume, wasn't created in one instance or by a single author. Instead, it evolved over centuries through the compilation of various texts written by different authors at different times. The process of collecting and organizing these writings into what we now recognize as the Bible took place over many generations. The earliest known form of the Hebrew Bible or Old Testament was written on scrolls made of parchment or papyrus. These scrolls contained individual books and were not compiled as a single bound volume as we commonly see today. The process of assembling these texts into a more organized and standardized collection began gradually. For example, the Torah, the first 5 books of the Bible, is believed to have been recognized as a distinct unit fairly early in Jewish tradition. The Hebrew Bible, Tanakh, as a whole, began to take shape over time, eventually becoming a collection of writings recognized as authoritative within the Jewish community. The New Testament writings also evolved over time. The various letters, Gospels, Acts, and other texts circulated among different Christian communities before being collected into what became the New Testament. The first complete bound version of both the Old and New Testaments, as we understand them today, emerged with the invention of the printing press in the 15th century. Johannes Gutenberg's printing of the Latin Vulgate Bible in the mid-15th century marked a significant step in the history of the Bible's dissemination, making it more widely accessible. Therefore, while there isn't a singular, very first Bible ever created, the Bible as we know it came into existence through a gradual process of collecting, preserving, and organizing various texts, considered sacred by Jewish and Christian communities over many centuries. The Gutenberg Bible was the first substantial book printed using movable type in Europe, marking a significant milestone in the history of printing and the mass production of the Bible. Gutenberg's printing press allowed for the replication of texts at a much faster rate than manual copying, making Bibles more accessible to a wider audience. Deciding which books to include in the Bible was a lengthy process. Different religious communities had varied collections of texts they considered sacred. It wasn't until several centuries after Jesus' time that the Christian canon was solidified, and various denominations have slightly different canons today. The process of forming the biblical canon, especially within Christianity, was complex and unfolded over centuries. Initially, early Christian communities had a diverse array of texts they considered sacred or authoritative. These texts included Gospels, epistles, letters, and other writings attributed to apostles and early Christian leaders. During the first few centuries after Jesus' time, debates and discussions arose within Christian communities regarding which texts should be considered authoritative and included in the collection of sacred writings. Different regions and Christian groups had varying collections of texts they revered and used for teaching and worship. Several factors influenced the selection of books for the biblical canon. These included: 1. Apostolic authorship or association. Many early Christian texts were considered authoritative if they were believed to be written by apostles or had a close connection to apostolic figures. 2. Orthodoxy and consistency. Texts that aligned with the teachings and beliefs of the early Christian communities were favoured. Consistency with established Christian doctrines played a role in determining a text's inclusion in the canon. 3. Widespread use and acceptance. The usage and acceptance of certain texts across various Christian communities over time contributed to their inclusion in the canon. The process of finalizing the Bible was not uniform across different regions and communities. It wasn't until the 4th century that significant efforts were made to establish an authoritative canon within Christianity. The Councils of Hippo, 393 AD, and Carthage, 397 AD, were among the early church councils that recognized a list of books that would become the core of the Christian Bible. However, even after these councils, there were ongoing debates and discussions about certain books' inclusion or exclusion. Various denominations within Christianity have slightly different canons today. For instance, the Protestant Bible, the Catholic Bible, and the Eastern Orthodox Bible have variations in their canons, with some books included in one tradition but not in others. Understanding the historical, political, social, and cultural contexts in which biblical texts were written is essential for interpreting them accurately. The narratives, teachings, and messages in the Bible are often intricately connected to the specific circumstances and concerns of the ancient societies in which they originated. Grasping these contexts provides deeper insights into the meanings and significance of the biblical texts. In conclusion, the evolution of the Bible from its handwritten manuscript origins to the widespread accessibility of printed versions stands as a testament to the dedication, resilience, and scholarly pursuits of generations past. The process of compiling the biblical canon was intricate, influenced by factors such as authorship, doctrinal alignment, and community acceptance, resulting in slightly varying canons among different Christian traditions. The Councils of Hippo and Carthage in the 4th century were pivotal in establishing a core set of books for the Christian Bible. Yet discussions about the canon continued for centuries. Variations in canons across different denominations underscore the ongoing complexities in defining an authoritative collection of sacred texts. Understanding the historical, cultural, and contextual nuances surrounding the Bible's formation is essential for a comprehensive interpretation of its teachings and messages. As the Bible continues to be a source of guidance, inspiration, and cultural heritage, its enduring influence resonates across diverse societies and remains a cornerstone of faith and wisdom for countless individuals worldwide. I hope you enjoyed this enlightening exploration of the Bible's origins and development. Stay tuned for more thought-provoking content, and let's continue to uncover the rich tapestry of our historical heritage together.